If you want to change Google Chrome interface language, click the 3 points at the top of the browser. Then click on the settings. From the side menu, choose Languages. Then, from the Favorite Languages section, click on Add Languages button. Then look for your favorite language and select it. Then click on Add button. Then, from the Favorite Languages section, click the 3 points beside the favorite language and choose Display Google Chrome in this language. After that, close the browser and open it again by clicking on the Relaunch button. And you will find that the browser interface has turned into the chosen language. Thanks for watching.